Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm excited because this is my first official get ready with me video. So in this video I'm going to be creating a look. I don't know what I'll be creating yet. Sincerely, I think I'm just going to go with the flow. I'm going to go with the spirit. Okay, I don't know what I'll be creating yet guys, but yeah, hit the subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, and if you have not turned on my post notification, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please turn on my post notification, subscribe to my channel, and let's beat this face. So guys, I have a detailed tutorial on how I do my brows, and I'll drop the link somewhere around here so you can go watch it at your spare time. It's actually very detailed, and it gives an in-depth tutorial on how I do my brows, and it's actually beginner friendly. So even if you are someone who has no idea about how to draw your brows and how to draw your brows, like, that video will give you a proper insight on what to do. I'm going to leave the link somewhere around here so you can watch it when you want. I'm done with my brows. I'm going to be setting my eyes with my powder. So guys, you think I should go with plenty colors? You know me, I'm a girl of plenty colors. I like colors. I like playing with colors. So should I go with colors today, or no? Do this. Okay. Nude. No, not nude. I'm going in guys with my Jackie Hill palette, and I'm going in with these two colors to create a crease. This color and this color, just to create a crease. I hope you saw that. Guys, while we are doing this, let me tell you a quick story. So, although I've always known this, but like, being in a very shitty mood this week. But like I just said, although I've always known this, I figured that makeup is that one thing that I know I can always do, or I know that whenever I do it, it takes me out of whatever bad mood I'm in. Like, there's this level of joy, or this level of satisfaction that comes from doing makeup. Like, no matter how bad my mood is, no matter how terrible I feel, I figure that doing my makeup, or sometimes it's not even about doing my makeup, like just looking at pictures of makeup or some makeup artists like my faves in the industry, it just gives me life. Well, it's not just makeup that does that. I mean, credit Allah does that to me too. Credit Allah and food does that to me too. But yeah, there's this level of satisfaction that makeup brings to me, and I think every single person has that one thing that no matter how bad they feel, they just think about that one thing, or they just think about that one person, and it brings light, it brings joy, it brings satisfaction, or it brings whatever feeling that takes them out of that very bad mood that they find themselves in. And I just want this to be a reminder for you that no matter what you're going through, like, no, this is me saying this to myself too, but no matter how you're feeling, no matter what you are going through right now, just remember that you've probably been in worse situations, and then you got out of it. And so whatever you're going through right now, like, God is definitely going to take you out of that. So just find joy in whatever that brings you joy, whatever that gives you hope, and go. Okay, now I've spoken too much, so let's go back to my makeup and focus on that right now. Let this look that I'm going to create today give you joy, give you hope if you're feeling bad, if you're feeling down. Okay, guys, I actually thought I showed a clip. I actually thought I was recording, but I didn't know I was not recording. But I went ahead to cut my crease. I guess when I'm working on the other eye, I'll just show a clip of how I did my cut crease. But I went and I actually gave it a premium gist in that recording that I thought I was doing. Can you imagine? Okay, but I went ahead to cut my crease. So when I'm doing the other eye, I'll try and make a recording of that. But now I'll be going in with neon pigments. I don't even know which colors I'm going to use. I decided I'll be going in with these two colors for my eyes. So enough of the talking. Okay, let me just go straight.
What we do here is go back.
Guys, so this is the final look. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I feel like I didn't give enough details in this video. I feel like I didn't record enough. I was just all over the place and I kept on feeling like I was recording and some parts of the video were not recording, and I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I really hope that my next Get Ready With Me video will be way better than this one. But guys, all the same, this came out pretty well. Tell me what you think about this look in the comment section. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to turn on my post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos, and also do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Remember, it's beauty Beauty by Shefira. Bye.